Nestled in the New River Valley in southwestern Virginia, Pulaski County is brimming with Blue Ridge Mountain beauty and small-town charm. Cattle graze on hillsides throughout the county, with some farms providing beef to the local school system. Small vineyards and produce operations keep cellars stocked, while dairies ship milk across the region.
Although there are only 2 dairy farms in Pulaski County, milk claims the second highest value of all local agricultural products. Martin Kegley's family has been raising dairy and beef cattle since 1967, and he says some things have changed over the years.
The robot dairy, it's still a dairy farm. I mean, the robots milk the cows. You don't have someone coming in here at set times every day to milk. I mean, the robots are milking 24 hours a day.
This innovation increased efficiency and helped Kegley's daughter, Tori Alley, to get critical hands-on agricultural experience. She teaches agriculture at Pulaski County High School and serves as the co-advisor of the FFA chapter. She says that all her students must complete 50 hours of a supervised agricultural experience, or SAE, each semester, just like she did.
Growing up, we were always involved doing something, and then in high school, when I was in FFA, my SAE was coming up and working at the dairy. We had just started the robot dairy. So I came up and started working and fetching cows up here in the evenings and on the weekends.
Practical experience like this is preparing the next generation of Pulaski County farmers.
It just encourages the students to apply the knowledge that they're learning in the classroom outside in the real world. It gives them hands-on experience and maybe opens up some career opportunities that they didn't know they might be interested in.
Students are also getting hands-on experience with Pulaski County beef. Darren Cullip works with the Kegleys to ensure that local beef is served throughout the county's school system.
Everybody was pushing for the local produce and local products into the school, and myself and Lisa Kegley were at the meeting. There was only 2 of us that showed up. She went back and presented it to her husband, Martin. I come back and, presented it to my wife, Sue Ellen, and the kids. And we just kind of decided it was probably good for our community to get out there and our products here in Pulaski County actually going into our school system versus shipping our beef off somewhere else.
Darren Cullip and his family also raise and sell pork, lamb, and goat meat through their retail storefront and at local farmers markets. He says they are fortunate to have the Pulaski Livestock Market nearby, where they sell live cattle.
A lot of it is the price discovery, because we have buyers all over the East Coast and the Midwest that participate in our sales. As I said earlier, we sell a lot of them over the tele-auction system, which, allows that buyer to call in and bid on, load lots of cattle here in Virginia.
Load lots are tractor-trailer loads of cattle. Meek and his family also have a cow-calf operation. According to the latest Census of Agriculture, there are 390 farms in Pulaski County, covering 74,264 acres. The market value of all agricultural products is $30.6 million. Livestock and poultry earn the most, with $19.9 million. Of that, cattle deliver $13.6 million and milk brings in $5.8 million. Crops account for $10.8 million.
Certainly beef cattle's #1 by far. We're in a part of the country that supports forage production really well. Most years we get enough rain to be able to grow our cool season forages to be the foundation feed source.
But grass isn't the only thing growing in Pulaski County. Dustin and April Cullip and their 2 children have started a wildly popular produce stand.
2 years ago, we decided that we would just sell some sweet corn just for a little cash money. And so my husband decided, well, if you're going to go ahead and plant sweet corn, you might as well plant a big garden. And so that's what we kind of did, and it just kind of fell in our lap. And we actually had really good outcome and support from our community, and really seen that they loved it and we loved that they loved it.
Although they are closed for the 2024 season, Dustin Cullip says that summer business sizzled.
Some Saturdays it's really crazy. It's like a Walmart parking lot. It's unreal that many people are that crazy for farm fresh produce, but it does give you a little hope that people do realize what they are getting and they enjoy that.
Pulaski County residents and interstate travelers alike are also enjoying wine from Jennifer and Curtis Brown's Spinning Jenny vineyard.
After our children had left home, we decided that we would like to do something with our 37 acres beyond just watching the grass grow for hay. We enjoyed wine, but we decided to plant grapes. Then we kind of ended up with more than we could use just for our own consumption. We learned a lot and continued to learn more about grape growing and winemaking. And because of our proximity to Interstate 81, we decided to put up a tasting room. Then we opened Spinning Jenny.
A name that Curtis Brown says has humble origins.
Well, it's actually a tool, a simple machine that unspools this wire that we use in the trellising, and it allows that wire to come off without getting all tangled up. So that's where we came up with the name, because her name is Jennifer, and the device is the Spinning Jenny. That's how the name came about.
Whether it's simple machines in vineyards or robots milking cows, Pulaski County farmers are focused on the future. Supplying local beef to the schools and fresh produce to passersby is a testament of their commitment to this mountain community. Reporting from Pulaski County, Virginia, I'm Elijah Griles.